Welcome to O Labs, an innovative educational platform developed by Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham and CDAC Mumbai, with funding from the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and the Ministry of Education, Government of India. O Labs transforms education by bridging the gap in science lab infrastructure, allowing students to perform experiments online, anytime, anywhere. O Labs offers interactive virtual labs in science, computer science, entrepreneurship development, maths, languages, social sciences, and even Indian Sign Language, catering to students from classes 6 to 12. These high-tech, free-to-access labs are aligned with NCERT and SCERT curricula and are available in Hindi, Malayalam, English, and Marathi. O Labs aligns with the National Education Policy NEP 2020 and continues to evolve. The labs are endorsed by CBSE and are directly accessible through the Diksha portal. With over 473 simulations, students can learn, explore, and repeat experiments at their own pace, fostering self-directed learning. O Labs also offers engaging animations and informative lab videos on YouTube, enhancing the learning experience even further. During the COVID-19 pandemic, O Labs became a vital tool for uninterrupted lab education. To enhance the learning experience, O Labs integrates VR and 3D components into select labs. These technologies offer real-time, immersive environments and interactive tools, gamifying learning and motivating students. The learning-enabled assessment in O Labs evaluates students' skills in conducting experiments, understanding concepts, and reporting results, with a self-assessment feature to gauge concept mastery. As we continue to evolve, we invite you to design innovative, scalable, and technology-driven solutions to enhance O Labs. How can AI personalize virtual labs to meet diverse subject needs, from physics to entrepreneurship? Can blockchain ensure data integrity and reliability? What features can foster collaborative and inclusive learning? Or how can IoT expand lab functionality? How can virtual reality and augmented reality enhance virtual labs with immersive technologies? How can data science and analytics optimize and personalize lab usage to maximize student engagement? How can a large language model, LLM, enhance the O Labs platform with advanced NLP features, enabling intuitive interactions, contextual guidance, and tailored feedback for students? Team up, innovate, and compete for exciting prizes. The stage is set, and the opportunity is yours.